In this video, I will be showing you how I recreate iconic 80s Bollywood actress Helen's classic look. Let's get started.
Start off by grooming and filling in your eyebrows. You can do your eyebrows however you like and with whatever product you prefer. Continue till you get your desired shape. Repeat the same on your other eyebrow. Make sure the product is applied evenly. Set your eyebrows with an eyebrow mascara. Apply concealer with a flat brush to clean up. Blend out the concealer with the same flat brush. Repeat the same on the other eyebrow. Apply a light to medium coverage foundation of your shade. Using a flat foundation brush, blend out the foundation. Apply a medium to high coverage concealer under your eyes, on the center of your forehead, on the bridge of your nose, and on any other dark spots or patches that you may want to cover. Using a damp beauty blender, blend out the concealer. Don't forget to cover your eyelids as well. Using a dry beauty blender, apply loose powder to set the concealer. Bake only under your eyes and any other oily part of your face. Set the rest of your face lightly using the same loose powder with the brush. Now using a flat brush, blend out the concealer on your eyelids and any other creases for a clean eyeshadow base. For eyeshadow, use a blue shimmery shade and apply it on your eyelids with your finger. Repeat the same on your other eyelid as well. Apply the same blue eyeshadow with a blending brush in the creases and blend it out. Repeat the same on the other eye. After you're done with eyeshadow, brush off the excess loose powder. Apply bronzer to give shape to your face. Apply it on the hollows of your cheeks, on the edges of your forehead and your jawline. Apply blush on the high points of your cheekbones and bring it down to your cheeks. Apply bronzer on the sides of your nose bridge with a blending brush and blend well. Set your face with a setting spray. Before applying highlighter, apply setting spray on the highlighter brush. Apply highlighter on your cheekbones and blend well. Apply highlighter on the tip and bridge of your nose. Draw a winged liner using a felt tip eyeliner. Start by drawing a triangle shape and extend it. Extend it only till the midpoint of your lash line. Fill it in and repeat the same on the other eye. With the same eyeliner, lightly draw some small lashes on the lower lash line. Repeat the same on the other eye. Now apply mascara to your upper lashes. Put on some fluffy false lashes. Apply mascara to your lower lashes. Using your finger, apply highlighter to the inner corners of your eyes. Start doing your lips with a pink shade lip liner and slightly overline your lower lip. Fill in the corners of your lower lip with the same lip liner. Line your upper lip and Cupid's bow precisely. Apply a nude pink shade lipstick and fill in. Layer the lipstick on top of the liner to blend and create an ombre effect. Lock your makeup with setting spray.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed recreating this iconic look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.